Hey everyone, it's the Rideshare Recruiter Online. I'm going to help you guys out here. If you drive for Uber, Lyft, or any other rideshare company, this is a special offer. I don't know how long I'm going to keep this up, but it's $97 to get started. This is going to be a tax deduction for you and a huge leap forward for your rideshare business, even if you're part-time. Let me show you some numbers here so you know I'm not making it up. We're going to take a look at my YouTube channel, and we're going to look at a few people that took the program already and said thank you, and they loved it, and they gave me permission to use their photo. Check out that number at the top of the screen. That was my best week ever driving for Lyft, and guess what? I'm still doing pretty big numbers. Some weeks I take it easy. Other weeks I like to do big, right? All right, now you think, oh, he must have an SUV or a black car. Let me show you my profile real quick here. Going up my name there. I just have a regular Toyota Prius. I don't have any other vehicles on my profile, okay? So you're probably wondering, how do you do those numbers? Well, there's a lot I can tell you, and there's a lot I'm not going to tell you, but you can watch some of my YouTube videos free of charge, and then other ones are unlisted. See how it says max RSP and there's a little chain symbol there? That means you can't watch that video unless you enroll in the program, right? And if you do enroll in the program, you get unlimited access to all the videos I'm putting up and the ones that are private as well. So, and it just goes in order. I start with the best secret I could give you, the number one thing to do. That's the top strategy right there, and then it just goes to the next video number 2, and then you watch that one, goes to video number 3, and it's going to be very straightforward, easy to do, and it's going to be worth your time, right? There's a few other videos you're going to want to watch here, including the 5-cent raise for drivers, make it go viral. That's a big idea I came up with the other day. I'd like you to share that. And then, there's a big one right there, driver referrals. How do you get good at driver referrals? Notice that's also an unlisted video, right? And then one thing I recommend everybody watches is this one, Uber Hacker. There's an Uber hacker that's been trying to steal people's fares, okay? So I'm going to get you guys into the program if you like. Just follow the instructions here on my Evernote here. Private rideshare consultation. Just send a message to liftrecruiterla@gmail.com. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I check that every day. And then we'll do Venmo, PayPal, Square Cash, however you want to pay for it. And you will be surprised. And let me show you some of the people that took the program already, because they all gave me, they're welcome to go ahead and share their picture and their name. And they have all texted me back or told me personally, a big thank you. This is Octavio. He was my first student. We did a private consultation. I actually met him in the car. He was one of my drivers, and a really nice guy, very good attitude. I could tell he loved what he does, and he just thought, you know what? I do want to make more money. And I was offering him a special deal. He was my very first student. And he replied later, thank you, appreciate it. And, he's using the strategies. There's several different strategies, and some of them all work together. And I'm sure Octavio is doing much better now. There's Marque. Marque was also one of my students, and he's actually my most recent student. He had a real spark in his eye when I met him, just really super nice guy, great, car, just certain things he wasn't doing to make the most. And after we met, he's like, wow, I can do this and that. He actually took one of the ideas and he just blew it up and made it awesome. He sent me a photo of what he did, and I'm like, man, that is perfect. Like, that's even better than what I was thinking about. And so he did something really awesome. There was also Linda. Linda was one of my drivers as well. Really nice woman, had a great conversation. I could tell she does this job like so many of us do as side income, and it can get frustrating out there on the road sometimes. So Linda and I had a great conversation at a Denny's one day, and talking about it gets frustrating when you're making minimum fares and how can you do better. And so she was part of the program. We talked for about 2 full hours. She got a copy of all the notes on paper, and so you'll get as part of your deal, you'll get a summary as a digital attachment of all the information. And then you also get access to the videos, and you don't want to share this because you're paying for this. You don't want to leak this out to anyone else who's not paying for it, because they may not appreciate it, and then they share it with other people who haven't paid for it, and you kind of do yourself shooting yourself in the foot. All right. So thanks so much for watching this video. There's a little teaser at the bottom there, my number one secret method. I'm not even going to scroll down on this, because if I scroll down, you'll see what it is. But in the meantime, I really recommend you subscribe to this YouTube channel, watch some of my public videos. When you're ready, send me a message at liftrecruiterla@gmail.com, and we'll get you in the Max RSP program. And thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. You guys have a great day. Peace.